Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can improve your video quality on CapCut only by using the effects features. So here, you just need to import your video and go straight to video effect. Click on the lens category and add the smart sharpen effect. Click on adjust and adjust the range to 0, filter 50, then the blur to 100. Now click on the check icon and next add the blur effect, still on the lens category. Click on the check icon and now you can just export this clip. Okay, so when the video done, when the exporting process is done, you can just go back to the project and delete the effects, and now go to overlay and add the video that you just saved as overlay. Okay, now fit the size. Then go to blend, click on overlay and set it to your liking. I'm going to go with 55. Click on the check icon and you are done with this quality video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks button. Bye.